I just recorded a video update on this phone. I just put in update 9. Unbelievable. And it says March 1st of 2020, and I just said that we are in January of 2021. So I might have like 12 updates I have to do. And if that's true, I'm going to be doing 12 videos on this Samsung, I think it's JV3. Let's see if I can do another bunch of updates, videos, and put a billion ads on there. Is it going to let me do this? Oh my God. We're going to be doing a ton of videos tonight. JV3, Samsung, we're doing system update 10. And I was just saying that on my Samsung 10 Plus, I'm up to system update 21. So I might be doing a zillion updates on this thing. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, that's all I can say. Unbelievable. There we go, people. Make sure you click on my video description, click on the affiliate links, or the donate to my PayPal if you want to help me out. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. Here we go, another 10-minute video with the 9,000 ads. Keep my channel going. Let's do an install now. Install now. Android. Before I was saying the battery power takes about 10 minutes to do an update on this phone, and uses about 2% battery power, maybe 2 or 3%, which is a lot, but that seems to be standard for these phones. That was a quick update. That was a really fast update. And the thing is with these phones, they are Securitate updates. That's fast. Look at that. The optimizing might take forever. They're security updates. They're little security patches. They're not really, they call them system updates, but they're not OS updates, so they're not putting in a whole new OS. And with this phone, this is such a cheap phone, I don't even know if they're going to support an OS update. But we're at 30%, so this might take a while. Wow, I thought this was going to take me 2 minutes and I was going to be done, and here I just did 10 minutes on System 9, and now I'm going to do 10 minutes on System 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's 13 updates if this is true. 13 updates at 10 minutes, that's 130 minutes. That's 2 hours and 10 minutes. Unbelievable. You would think with something like this, and I know they're doing updates, but you would think with something like this, it would just be cumulative. So you could say I'm at system update 9, and I'm going to do an update, and it just goes in there and puts in the last update, and it's done. But they don't do that. They make you install every single update, and then it reboots, and then it installs the next, and then it reboots, and then it installs the next, and then it reboots, and then it installs the next, and then it reboots, and then it installs the next, and then it reboots, and then it installs the next, and then it reboots, and then it installs the next, and then it reboots, and then it installs the next, and then it reboots, and then it installs the next, and then it reboots, and then it installs the next, and then it reboots, and then it installs the next, and then it reboots, and then it installs the next, and then it reboots, and then it installs the next, and then it reboots, and then you use it. Now you try saying that 13 times in a row like I did. That is why I am the master YouTuber, the tuber man, the YouTubist, and that's why I can make these awesome videos, because I can say, what was I saying before? And then install, I don't even know what I was saying because I forgot. I'm just so overwhelmed with this update and everything that's going on in the world right now, in the news and the media and okay, I'll stay out of all of that. We just want to keep this positive and friendly. We're doing OS, no, we're doing OS updates. We're doing Securitate patch updates, security patches. I can't do this all in one night. I can't do it a minute, an hour and 30. I can't do 130 minutes of video. Not only that, 130 minutes of video, that's 13 videos that I have to edit, and then I have to upload, and then I have to edit, and then I have to render, then I have to upload, then I have to put in all the info, the video name, monetize, the description, and all the affiliate links, and then tag it with the keywords, and then make it go live. And there's just so much involved. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Oh my God. The dog's going to say, dude, just stop already. So Not my phone. I borrowed this phone from somebody. I was over there today, and I asked the person, I said, hey, person, have you been charging up your phone during this pandemic? And the person said, no, I need to look at my phone and check. And I pressed the power button, and it said 0%. So I said, let me take the phone home. It probably needs some updates. And I should have gone over to a charger with a high, well, this phone doesn't do fast charging, but I charged it through a USB port on a computer, which is the slowest way you can go. And it took about 2 hours, but that's okay because I was charging the Samsung on, and that's the main thing. So after that, I came over here, we're at 97%, and I said, let me just press the power button, turn this thing on, see if it needs an update. And now, I don't know, 2 updates. I mean, 2 minutes, let's say 3 minutes per update, 13 minutes. I went to LA City School, so I'm probably not too good in math. 13 updates of 3 minutes would be 13 times 3. That was the rat cam or the skunk cam or the raccoon cam or the squirrel cam or the cat cam. Nobody knows what the animal is that's out there yet. I posted a bunch of photos, and they're saying rat, they're saying possum, they're saying cat, they're saying raccoon, I don't know. So 13 videos at 3 minutes is, I knew the number before, it's 39, yeah, 39%, wow. So I spent all this time charging the phone up, and then I'm gonna have to go charge it up again. Then I'm gonna put it on a real charger. I'm not gonna plug it into the cell phone, into the computer. So I have a feeling this is just gonna go on forever. We're gonna be doing 13 updates, and let's see, 13 videos that nobody wants to watch. 13 videos that nobody wants to watch with about 10 minutes, so let's say that's 10 ads per video. That is 130 ads that nobody's going to click on, and so I'm going to get 130 ads times 0. I'll tell you, this YouTube creating stuff, if I was famous, if I had something that people wanted to watch, or a good video, a viral video, that video would take off, I'd post it, and in 24 hours I'd have 500,000 views, and even with just one ad on there at 500,000 views, I'd probably be pulling in like $10,000, and I would just be famous and rich. Instead, I have 130 ads that nobody watches, and 13 videos that nobody looks at, and I just sit in the corner with the lights out and I cry saying, I just can't make it on the tube. Nobody wants to watch these awesome videos. What do we have here? We're optimizing. That's very strange. The last one, update 9, we had 281 things they had to optimize, and now there's only 280. Does somebody know where that last module is? Did it just walk off the phone? Did it disappear? Did it leave home? I'm sorry, but I'm not home. I was going to sing a song, I was going to make up a tune, but when you do that on the tube, they could say, whoa, whoa, is that your song? We're going to have to remove the monetization, and the 13 ads that you put on there, nobody is going to watch. Well, nobody was going to watch them anyway. I don't know. Have you gotten this far? This is the second video that I've done in a row. Did you watch System 9 update? Are you watching System 10? Can I do this for 130 minutes? Can I just sit here and talk for 2 hours and 10 minutes? I don't know. This is a big job. I might do one more of these and stop for the night. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll just stop for the night. Charge the phone up. But it's only 9. Oh, it's almost 10 o'clock. Yeah, I can do this tomorrow. I have an eye appointment tomorrow. What else? Walk the dog. Probably walk the dog, then I'll take a... No, see, if I take a nap, then it changes my vision when I take a nap. And then when I go see the eye doctor, my eyes won't be the same. But it's okay. We understand my eyes. We know how many hours before my eyes change. And they change in the morning, and then they get better towards the end of the day. And whatever the prescription is that I'm supposed to get, I can't wear it, so we have to drop it back a little bit or my eyes will fight the prescription that I should have. So there's a whole science behind the science. Okay, we're starting up again. What I'm curious about is this thing going to say, do the next update? Because like I told you, my phone has 21, now we're on system update 21. And it's a Samsung, but I don't know if they use the same updates for every single phone. But they probably do, because this thing showed March 1st. So March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. That's 10, if I counted right on my fingers. So this thing might, I'm going to have to cut away from this screen that you're looking at right now, sorry. And you're probably going to not see the screen, but that's okay. 10 minutes, hold on. Oh, I just pressed on system update and it said it's finishing up. It's in progress, so that's system 10. I don't know if I'm going to do one more. But that's okay. Make sure you watch all my awesome videos for this J3V update. Wow, I'm going to post 13 videos. That's going to make me well over 1,600 and some videos that I have on the channel. That is a lot of videos. Are we still updating? I don't know. Let me check. They don't make it easy on this phone. On the S10, you usually get a thing that pops up that says updated, or I don't know if this one does it. I'm getting tired. My voice is saying, let me go to sleep. Can your voice say things like that? Does anybody watch this stuff? Have you gotten to the end of this video? Yeah, and I got to edit out that screen that has all that info on it. It's rough. Come on already. Get this thing done. I don't have all week. Well, yes, I guess I do. There it is. There it is. That's what I was waiting for.